everybody, it's Kiwi, and I'm so excited because April is Earth Month. On April 22nd is Earth Day, and I'm going to take a few moments to share with you why this day matters, not just for the planet, but also for all of us in everybody's home. So Earth Day started back in 1970. It is celebrated on April 22nd, and it is all about raising awareness about pollution, deforestation, as well as the overuse of chemicals. So today it is a global reminder about the role we play in caring for the one home we all share. That is the planet. All right, so that message fits perfectly with the Norwex mission, creating cleaner, safer homes by reducing harmful chemicals in our daily lives, as well as single-use plastics and paper products. So when we choose reusable over disposable, clean with water instead of harsh products, we say no to plastic waste. We're protecting our families and our planet and our pocketbook. So Norwex is marking this Earth Day with a lineup of sustainable swaps. Each of them are designed to cut toxins, reduce waste, and simplify our routines, because we all need to simplify. These items are not only effective, they are also deeply discounted. That is my love language. I love discounts. So let's dive in to what's on sale, talk about how these everyday products can help you live cleaner, safer, and smarter, not just on Earth Day, but every day of the year. All right, so let's get started. The citrus foaming hand wash, y'all, this is 50% off. It is normally $16.99. It is now $8.49. It is a water activated powder. That means no plastic waste, fewer transport emissions. It is Cosmos certified. It has a natural fragrance. That means no synthetic fragrances. It is 94 bio-based, 94%. It's vegan. It is for, you put it into our foaming hand dispensers. I have 7 of these around my home. I mix them up in a big bowl and then distribute them throughout all of my different foaming dispensers. They work amazing. The natural fragrance is wonderful. It is not overpowering, and the best part is it keeps my hands soft. It's the only soap I can use without my knuckles and my fingers starting to crack. It is a must-have. The reusable handle and mesh dish scrubber, this is 25% off, $11.24. It is eco-friendly cleaning with a reusable handle, and the scrubber you keep, and this is made from 100% recycled materials. All right, so this is a fantastic thing to do dishes. If you already have this, just the scrubber replacements, the refills, are on sale. You get a 2-pack of these for just $6.74. So you just replace the pad, not the entire tool. Again, it's better for the budget and for the planet. Next is the porcelain sink organizer on sale, but this one comes with an added bonus. You are getting, for $35.99, this is 40% sale, you are getting the porcelain sink organizer. You are also getting the mesh scrubber with this, so an added bonus. So a great deal on this. I love using these porcelain sink organizers in our kitchen. We have them in our powder rooms. We have them, I mentioned the bathrooms, and as well as our office. It just keeps everything organized in the bathroom. I put my skincare on it. It comes with a little porcelain cup, so I can keep makeup brushes in there, use it to take little sips. In the office, I put my pens and pencils, the little metal hanger I use to hang my body cloth, and of course in the kitchen it can be used to hang your netted dishcloth, a fruit and veggie cloth. So functional. This is a great time to get it because not only are you getting a great price, you also can snag this reusable dish scrubber. The Enviro Scrubs, I love these. They're 25% off. These are $20.24 for 3 of them in the graphite. These are great for sticky messes. They're great. They're made from 70% recycled yarn. They're probably one of my favorite scrubbies. I love that they come in a 3-pack. That makes them very cost effective. Pair beautifully with the cleaning paste, the bathroom cleaner, the descaler, the mold and mildew cleaner. So any of our enzyme-based products. They work phenomenally. I also love using these for the toilet. They're a great shape. They've got the scrubby on the back and viral cloth on the other side, and you can throw them in the washer and dryer. The reusable silicone bags, these are one of our newer products. You can buy them individually or as a set during the sale. The small is $22.09. The large is $25.49, and you can get the set for $43.34. These are oven, freezer, and microwave safe. They are safe alternatives to single-use zip bags. They are essential in my home. They have a super strong seal, like it's a thick seal. They're completely waterproof. You can stuff them with tons of stuff. They are made from the highest quality silicone made. So these are a great one to snag. I was super surprised to see them on this sale. The reusable food storage bags, these are a set of 2. They are 25% off, $22.49. They are flexible and durable storage with leak-resistant sealing. They are great for meal prep, snacks on the go. The smaller one is, this is the large, the smaller one, my daughters are always taking them. They use them for makeup stuff, they use them for pencil supplies. Like I said, fruits and veggies, they are always in use. This is a great time to snag them, for sure. I absolutely love those little sandwich bags. Next is the stretchy silicone lids. These come in a 6-pack. Check them out here. You can get them for $18.74. These are a swap out for plastic wrap. They are BPA-free lids that seal tightly over bowls, cups, melons. They work great to protect a cut avocado, onion, tomato, lemon, whatever you can think of, you can use them. The small one works great on cans of black olives, or if you use these little fancy yogurts, I repurpose them for my chia pudding. These create a seal. I can shake them up, throw them, easy to wash, and they have backlock. These are a fantastic alternative to ditch that harmful single-use plastic wrap. Now let's talk about cleaning your fruits and veggies with the Veggie and Fruit Scrub Cloth. You can snag this for $12.74. It is 15% off. It has 2 sides, one for scrubbing pesticides and wax, the other for polishing. You use this tool, it's great for scrubbing your carrots, your potatoes, your apples, cucumbers, zucchini, any of your harder skinned fruits and vegetables. You get them cleaned off fast and easy without losing the nutrients, and you can throw this in the washer and dryer. Next up is our reusable grocery bag. This is $6.74. Now, what makes this so amazing? It is made from 100% recycled materials. It has backlock in it. It is strong and roomy. It is super, super strong. You literally can use this for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of uses. You can even throw it into the washer and dryer, and because it has the backlock in it, you don't have to worry about spills, raw meats, and things like that. This bag is going to self-purify. You can just wipe it off and go. So really fantastic bag. This is what you want to bring to the stores with you. All right, now we're going to talk about our stainless steel cloth. This is a great, if you have stainless steel, you want to snag this for $18.74. It is 25% off. No streaks, no smudges, no stainless steel wipes. It's sustainable. You clean with just water only. This is a great alternative, obviously, to the wipes, but also to the EnviroCloth and window cloth. It is designed specifically for stainless steel, and it works amazing. You will love it. Speaking of stainless steel, we also have our stainless steel straws on sale. We have the small, a 2-pack plus a brush, and the bag for $11.24. That is 25% off. We also have the large size that comes with the 2-pack, the bag, and the cleaning brush for $12.74. So no more plastic straws, great for smoothies, iced coffees, and on-the-go hydration. I know you're gonna love this one. It is our fan favorite, the chenille hand towel, $23.99. It's normally $31.99. It is so soft, quick drying, it has backlock, it is 70% recycled yarn, and you can get 3 colors. The heathered oatmeal, the graphite like this one, and the denim. You also can grab the mushroom chenille, which is 50% off right now. These are great. You hang them on the loop so they don't fall off the towel rack. This is the best feature. You can hang them absolutely everywhere. I have them in the kitchen and we have them in all of the bathrooms. They are a fan favorite. You need to give them a try. Did you guys know that black plastics, all kinds of black plastics, including plastic utensils, contain forever chemicals? They contain PFAS. They never leave your body or the environment. They also react strongly to heat. So a great alternative are our eco utensils. This is a 12-piece set. It is $16.49, normally $22. It is a plant-based. They are plant-based and compostable. They are perfect for travel, lunch boxes, picnics. We use them at school, work lunches. They're a great alternative to plastics. They are hand wash only. This is one of those little swaps that can really help eliminate microplastics in our body, as well as avoid those PFAS that are sadly everywhere. Keep some in your car when you go into a restaurant that serves plastic utensils. Bring your own. So easy to use. And then you can just use your travel EnviroCloth to quickly wipe them clean and stick them back in one of your bags, like the little sandwich bags. It's easy to be sustainable, y'all. It just takes a little bit of intention. Here's our kitchen cloth. It is the channel texture or rib texture, depending on what you like to call it. It is $11.24. We have it in sea mist. We also have it available in the pomegranate. These clean your surfaces with only water and can remove up to 99% of bacteria. They physically remove grease, grime, that bacteria I was talking about from our kitchen surfaces and also they're like little crumb grabbers. They pick everything up. They're an amazing alternative to single-use items like wipes, paper towels, chemical cleaners. All you need is the cloth and water. Speaking of, we can have the matching set. We also have the kitchen towel. So here's the size for the kitchen towel. This is the pomegranate. You also can get it in the sea mist. And I also want to point out, you can get this for $18.74, 25% off, quick drying, ultra absorbent. Pair it with this kitchen cloth for a beautiful set. This is mine from my kitchen. This is years old. So I show this so that you guys can see how well our products stand up. They all come with a 2-year warranty. You also can get the kitchen towel in diamond texture. It happens to be my personal favorite. We have the graphite, but instead of this color, it's the pomegranate trim. So just imagine it has the pomegranate trim. This is $18.74 for the kitchen towel. I love how absorbent this towel is. It's great if you hand wash dishes. It doesn't get stinky because it has the back lock. We also have a special sale on this style in solid amethyst, 50% off for $12.49. So each of these products help you create a healthier and cleaner home. These sale prices are good till noon on May 1st, the day before my 50th birthday. So don't wait. Let's celebrate Earth Day the Norwex way by swapping out smarter products and living lighter and cleaner, safer and better. If you are loving all of this and you're like, you know what, Kiwi, I would love to start saving 35% and I would like to share how amazing these products are, consider joining my team. You can join for just $30 in April with our sample kit. I would love to have you on our team and you instantly unlock that 35% discount. So all of those prices I mentioned today, take 35% off of them. That's what we get as a consultant. So Norwex is amazing. I'd love, love, love to share with what it would look like for you to join my team. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye.